Hello, I'm Shigeki. I enjoy taking online classes. I think even children can enjoy studying English because the teachers were very fun and kind people. The contents that I have been taught are very useful for my work. Thank you, SUGOI Online English School. See you again.
Hi, I'm Daisy Michiko. I'm a Brazilian but based in Japan. Thank you, SUGOI Online, for teaching me how to learn English. I have now self-confidence and can make conversation to other people. Thank you again. More power.
Hi, I'm Sarah. Thank you, SUGOI Online, for helping me learn English. I'm happy to learn English. See you again.
My teacher is very nice. I am studying at the same time having fun. 私の先生はとても優しい。私は楽しみながら勉強しています。
I thought English will be difficult, but my experience in SUGOI Learns makes me want to learn more and more. 英語は難しいと思ったが、すごいと学んでいた経験で果たしてやはり英語は面白くてもっと学びたい。